Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with a Mr. Beast video. If you don't know Mr. Beast, you must be living under a rock. So Mr. Beast is biggest YouTuber. So he just dropped a video, $1 versus $500,000 plane ticket. So he does these things where he compares these things and see how they look for his millions of subscribers. So here we go. We're gonna react to this one and see what this is about. Let's go.
We're gonna fly on this jet that costs $500,000 per flight. And we're also gonna fly on this $25,000 private jet, a $10,000 first class seat, a blimp, and so much more. But before I show you what it's like to fly on some of the most luxurious planes on the planet, we're gonna fly on the cheapest plane in the world. It's really rickety. Here's the dollar. I'm very nervous.
Nothing to be nervous about. I've done this half a dozen times.
You've done this 6 times.
So this flight is for what? $1. So I'm sure this pilot is not doing it because of the money. He's doing it because he just loves flying. That's his hobby. He loves it. So this $1 cannot buy no fuel for this little aircraft or whatever it is. Let's go.
I've done this half a dozen times.
You've done this 6 times. Why does this sound like a lawnmower engine? Time for a ride.
It sounds like a 2-stroke lawnmower engine, for real.
Ride on the world's cheapest plane ticket. Oh boy. Oh my God. Oh no. We're going so fast. That does not sound safe.
Is that safe, actually? Is that safe? Is that safe to put Mr. Beast on?
They almost hit a camera.
Keep your seatbelt on.
You just focus on keeping me alive, Doug.
I'm trying. All right, he's in the air.
All right, dibs on the channel.
I got what I need. You can land whenever.
No!
Doug, come on, Doug, please. That guy pays my bills. Be careful. And if you guys think this is crazy, wait until later in the video when we have the world's most expensive plane ticket on the planet.
Wait a minute.
I like the way that he's on that, having the scary plane ride, and he's plugging the other jet that's coming up. That is crazy, bro.
Wait until later in the video when we have the world's most expensive plane ticket on the planet.
Wait a minute, you're making me feel bad.
Oh my God, he's coming in hot.
You ready to land?
He made it.
Our next plane is the $1,000 first class plane ticket. But here's the thing, boys. I bought all the first class.
So this is a $1,000 first class plane ticket. Oh.
So sit wherever you want.
Would you like some Miracle Mist lotion?
Why?
Because first class, baby. Fine dining, huh?
Each of us had our own seat and TV. The ticket also comes with a decent meal, a free bag of toiletries, and pajamas.
Do we get to take all this home with us?
And during longer flights, recline. We should recline into a bed.
I feel like I'm in a coffin, which I like. Yeah, this is crazy.
And best of all,
My favorite part about this $1,000 plane, I don't need to speak to Nolan.
I don't like this glass because it like separates me. I'm all alone back
that is the exact reason.
That's
why
the
I like
reason,
it.
yeah.
The only downside is that you don't get a lot of privacy.
It's really awkward filming a video with all these people walking by.
So let's see what a plane ticket that is 10 times more expensive feels like. And now the $10,000 plane ticket. Oh man, this is nice. I have unlimited legroom here. Look, let's start off.
No way in hell I'm spending $10,000 for no plane ticket. I don't care where that's going. I don't care what is on that plane. I ain't spending no $10,000 for no single plane ticket. I ain't doing that.
Oh man, this is nice. I have unlimited legroom here. Look, let's start off by analyzing what we get. A tablet, a giant touchscreen TV, my own in-seat drink bar, snacks. This isn't Feastable chocolate. I want a refund.
We're getting connected to the Wi-Fi. We might have paid $10,000 for our seat, but we still have to pay $20 for Wi-Fi.
It's not.
No, that's not fair. That is not fair. To be spending so much money on a ticket and then you have to buy additional stuff on the plane. You should get everything and more. Like, come on.
I'd have paid $10,000 for our seat, but we still have to pay $20 for Wi-Fi.
It's not free. Now we're taking off, which is pretty
That's
crazy
bad.
because I can literally watch it on my TV. And because it's a 16-hour flight, I get to take a Look at how nice this bathroom is. You have a sink, a toilet, and then a shower.
Still doesn't
That is
worth
crazy.
10K.
Look at that. We are 30,000 feet in the air, and I can take a shower. On top of that, me and the boys can order as much gourmet food as we want. And that's not all. We saved the best for last. Hey, how's it going? There's a private lounge in the back of the plane.
Hey, Jimmy.
Yeah? Ow.
So you get all this free, you get access to all this, but you still have to pay $19 for Wi-Fi? That's crazy.
You're not dreaming.
That was the $10,000 plane ticket. Point the camera up and down. And now we're at the $25,000 plane ticket that is up these stairs. That's right, there's floors.
This is insane.
This is crazy. We're gonna be sitting above other people.
Oh my
25K.
God. For $25,000.
This is your room. Not your seat. This is your room. That's different. That's like a whole different category there. This is your room, guys. Here we go.
You get 2 massive rooms.
Oh, this is crazy. I've never seen anything like this.
Holy cow.
Our space on this plane is literally 4 times bigger than the last one.
I've never seen a plane where I can comfortably do jumping jacks. Look at this.
We also get 2 chairs, a ton of TVs.
There are more TVs in this one room than all of the other planes we've been on.
Food served by a personal flight attendant. Why is it that after a certain price point, they always give you caviar? And a bathroom.
Can we talk about something? This bathroom is like a disappointment. No shower, no heated floors, half the
So the 10K plane has a better bathroom than the 25K plane. Interesting.
size. I think the $10,000 flight was a better price point.
Would you
Yeah.
pay this kind of money for a single flight?
No, no, I ain't doing that. I ain't doing that. I'd rather buy a luxury car. I would rather buy a luxury car. Like, seriously, 25K, you can get nice second-hand luxury car for that. Like, come on, it doesn't have to be for brand new. I would buy something different. I wouldn't buy, no.
I wouldn't recommend this. I would recommend a car.
Buy a car
There
instead.
you go.
And
There
now
you go.
the best
There you
part
go.
of the
There you
room.
go. There you go.
A queen-size bed.
That's not a queen-size bed because you're sleeping next to your friend.
Ooh. Why don't they just make every seat a bed?
Bro, instead of 3 seats side by side, just put a bunk bed with 3 beds.
That doesn't worth 10K. 25K. Not for me.
Good morning.
That was really good sleep.
Carl, wake up. We're gonna land.
I slept like a rock. That was the world's most expensive commercial flight. Time for private
So that was a Singapore airline. Okay.
flights. This is the
100K.
$100,000 plane.
This thing's huge.
At this price point, you get the entire plane.
Okay, that's fair. That's fair. That's fair, but I still wouldn't. Nah. But Mr. Beast is Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast give away that in minutes. Come on.
Oh, it's like a yacht.
This is wild.
This is unbelievable.
Interior.
You wanna know the craziest part? This
Nice.
is just one of 4 rooms.
There's more to the plane? I thought this was it.
Guys, come over here.
What room is this?
This is literally another lounge area with a bunch of snacks and a huge TV.
Adverts. Sorry, Mr.
And if
Beast. Sorry, Mr. Beast. I'm not watching adverts. Not like you need it anyway.
Feeling tired? You get your own private bedroom.
Dude, what?
This is like a hotel. And last but not least, the bathroom.
Tariq, shut your mouth right now. Shut it. This is insane. There's a seat in the bathroom, Dib.
Have you ever even seen a
Seat
jet
in the
half
bathroom.
this size? No.
Never.
What do we talk about while on our private jet?
Well, I'll tell you. Last year I sold the Smitherman's account.
geez.
Oh wait,
I just realized I'm taking off backwards.
I didn't realize you were taking off.
Not the camera!
100K.
This is crazy.
100K.
Oh my god.
Easy.
Oh, turn. All right, I'm going to sit down.
This might be the best bathroom yet. This is the toilet.
Normally, when you're on a normal airline, they make sure you're sitting down before taking off. These guys don't care. They just take off.
In the toilet, you can watch TV.
Hey, Nolan, I hope you feel comfortable in the bathroom.
What's going on? I'm so confused.
No.
No.
He's never getting out.
He's looking at something.
Wow.
I have steak, mashed potatoes, and veggies, and you guys inspired me a little bit, so I brought some pizza.
Oh. Nice.
This is my favorite plane because it has YouTube, but we didn't pop up first, so now it's not.
You can tell this is a rich person bed because there's like 500 pillows. This one out of here, that one out of here.
And that's the beauty of flying private.
The
You
flight
can do
attendant
whatever
just
you
now.
want, whenever. Carl's flying the plane, Chandler's jamming out the pizza, Chris is taking a nap, and I don't even know where Nolan went. There's no layovers when you fly private, and there's no TSA, so you save tons of time. Hence why basically every rich person you know owns a private jet.
Hey guys.
Yeah?
We're gonna land soon.
Carl, let me out. We're about ready to land. You gotta let me out, bro.
Oh, they still locked in the plane.
Oh my God. That was the opposite of smooth.
Wait, is Nolan still in the bathroom? I don't know, is he? Carl, go let him out.
How was your flight?
Still better than the $1,000 plane.
That's bad. Leaving him in there for so long, that's bad. He didn't experience nothing else.
And now the $300,000 blimp. I'll unblur it in a second. Before I remove your blindfolds, what do you think is on the side of the blimp?
Is it Nolan's phone number?
Mr. Beast.
Did you do Nolan's
Mr. Beast
phone
logo.
That would be funny.
next time?
Take off your blindfolds. Turn around.
I heart
Carl's mom.
Why? He really loves my mom.
No, Carl, he hearts your mom. He doesn't love your mom. That'd be
No,
weird.
I love her.
Oh.
Dude, am I pushing it right now? Oh, it's like moving.
This giant aircraft can literally just be pulled by a rope. And you might be wondering, how did I afford this giant blimp and pay 6 figures to wrap it? ZipRecruiter, a recruiting platform that I use to hire people like editors, cameramen, and accountants. Let's see if it stops floating when I get on it.
That's good to know.
That's gains, dude.
Does that mean I'm fat?
It means you work out a lot.
Or I'm fat. ZipRecruiter is where people go to discover their next great job. If this blimp crashes and I die, you guys could just use ZipRecruiter to find a new job.
That'll make it so much easier.
I feel like
Thanks,
I don't
man.
like this.
So would you say ZipRecruiter is similar to Fiverr then? Would you say, because obviously Fiverr offers service for various different things, would you say just, I'm gonna check it out after this.
This conversation.
All right, let's do this. Goodbye, Chandler.
Goodbye, forever. I think I heard forever.
He could have promoted anything, and he chose Carl's mom.
I'm terrified. This thing's picking up speed.
Well, we'll see you at the race.
Oh, and I forgot to mention, we're flying this blimp over 150,000 people at the world's largest race car event.
Oh, wow.
And Carl has no idea. Before I die in this blimp, I want to tell you guys about ZipRecruiter. We recently made a job posting on ZipRecruiter, and I'm going to call one of the candidates and interview them. Hey, Thomas, I saw your application on ZipRecruiter. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Is this Mr. Beast?
Yeah, I'm Mr. Beast. It doesn't matter.
Sorry, I can barely hear you right now.
Yeah, I'm Mr. Beast. It doesn't matter. Like, don't get excited. I just need to tell you something. What are you gonna tell him?
Yeah, because we're on a blimp. How long have you been an editor for?
I've been an editor for about 10 years.
Do you think you can improve our videos?
I think with a strong team and a little creative innovation, I can definitely make your videos better.
Okay, not bad. Send me some examples of your work. If, like Thomas, you want a shot to come work for us, click the link in the description or go to ZipRecruiter.com/MrBeast. We're gonna look at every single person that applies.
We need to see his work first before voting. That's what I want to see, because I would, if his work is worth voting for, I would actually vote for the guy to get some work with you, Mr. Beast.
We are now over the Daytona 500, which is one of the busiest events ever.
You couldn't have put something better on the blimp?
No, this is perfect.
This is wrong.
Can they see us? You can see them.
Carl, I can confirm everyone loves your mom down here.
I love Carl's mom. Everybody's like, we love Carl's mom, if you're watching, you're a lovely lady.
Oh my God, this is crazy, bro. This is actually crazy. The whole stadium is saying we love Carl's mom. Jeez.
For a psycho.
For your mom. And now, the most expensive private plane ticket on the planet.
$500,000.
Hi, welcome aboard. I suggest you taking your shoes off. The carpet's actually $2 million.
Here, wait.
She's like, I suggest it really hard.
And by square feet, this is big.
Yeah, she did say that. She said, like, she's suggesting, but she's also telling you, listen, take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. Yeah.
Bigger than our houses. It's almost impossible to imagine how big this jet actually is, right?
Forget about the $500,000 to fly on it. How much would it cost to build something like this, though? Come on. Like,
Here is a bedroom.
Wow.
A bedroom. Another bedroom. Another bedroom. Keep going. This is for the crew. Another bedroom.
What'd you find?
My dibs.
The bedrooms on this plane are way more extravagant. Gold-plated sinks, multiple showers.
Wait, what's in there?
That's the toilet.
This plane comes with its own theater, a lounge that can seat up to 12 people.
Incredible.
And then over here is the living room.
This is like a bigger couch than what I have in my house.
Definitely.
I just want you to know, you've only seen a third of the plane so far. There's more?
What? Oh, got some good stuff.
Xbox.
You can call a flight attendant to your bedroom. If we could do this every time we fly, I'd live in the air. Whoa, what is that? Sorry, I'm turning the lights on and off.
How did I miss this room? Like, we walked around the whole plane.
And in case you thought you saw everything, there's also massages on this plane. How is it, Carl?
It's amazing.
So I really just shouldn't.
Gentlemen, how were we able to afford this plane?
I would say only our fans.
And because of that, we invited a bunch of random subscribers on this $500,000 plane ride. Have you ever flown on a private jet before?
No, this is my first time.
And it's the most expensive one on the planet.
I've never seen anything.
It's good that he's actually giving back to his subscribers. Mr. Beast, if you've ever come across this video, or if any one of your friends or subscribers send it to you, I'm just a YouTuber trying to make it. So if you can get me in one of your videos, maybe, you know, donate something to my chat. Yeah, you know what I mean?
Planes on a plane? Like,
Yeah.
this is crazy.
Ma'am, what is this right here?
That's gas station chocolate.
Can you just throw it? Okay. I didn't think she'd literally throw it. This is the chocolate you need to serve from now on, okay?
Got it.
It's called Feastables. It's the highest rated chocolate on the planet.
What the heck is over this way?
You know, this has got to be a secret room. That's where the crew is. We just got a bunch of funny looks.
Attention, boys. We're about to take off.
Fasten your seatbelt and stop being hooligans. Thank you.
Whoa! What?
About to take off.
Fasten your seatbelt and stop being hooligans. Thank you.
Typically, what kind of people fly on a plane like this? Business people? How do my dumb friends...
Business people. Yeah, what kind of business these people own, bro? 500K. Come on, man.
Typically, what kind of people fly on a plane like this? Business people? How do my dumb friends compare?
Pretty dumb, I guess it's
At this price point, they serve the highest quality food anytime you want it and wherever on the plane you want it. Even in your own private master suite. Do you guys even know where we're going? No. We're taking you all to Disney World and we're gonna give you 2 days of all expense paid trips to do whatever you want.
That is brilliant. That is brilliant. Mr. Beast, I did mean what I said earlier on. If you could get me one of your videos to experience something like this, which I would never experience without someone like you putting me on, then that would be great. That would make my day. You know what I mean?
No way! So if you want to fly on the most expensive jet in the world and then spend 2 days all paid for in Disney World, subscribe.
Okay. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Subscribe for Cosmo. Gee. I've subscribed already, by the way. I'm not sure if you can see, but I have subscribed. So yeah, that would be a joy to be in part of your video, sir. Yeah. But anyway, Mr. Beast, you are a legend. You are so rich, you are so popular, and you're actually giving back to the people who have supported you. So yeah, we definitely love Cosmo. Yeah. Mr. Beast, great guy. Great content, great videos. As always, great ideas also. You got a great team behind you, sir. So continue doing your work, man. People really appreciate it and love it. So anyway, this is where I'm going to leave this reaction. If you enjoy this one, I want to see me do more Mr. Beast videos because I haven't watched many of them. There are a lot, but I haven't watched all of them. So let me know in the comment section and I'll definitely do what I need to do. All right? I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.